The making of the special cake.
Yes.
Recording me?
Yes.
Everything from India.
Okay. Lick it. Pause it. Mix the dough. So good. This cake's gonna be so good.
And some spit.
You getting more. You need to keep getting more dough. More dough.
Lots and lots of it.
Okay, look at this cake. The cake batter will go in this cake mold.
Oh, yes.
I'm getting colored.
And look at the bone.
We're gonna need more leaves.
The bunny will be the one with tasting stuff. You dropped the water.
It's a spider, look. It's gone. Oh no, I see it. I saw it. I saw it. Oh my gosh, it's right there. Woo!
Where is that's tiny.
I know, but still. Fireworks. Fireworks. The tomatoes. Some secret ingredients. Secret ingredients.
What is that?
Okay, no more dough. No more dough. We need water.
Okay, what is that?
Blech. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you spit. It's all spitting. Is that loogie?
No.
I don't know.
Look.
That's no. That's not.
That's nasty.
Loogie. Is it?
Isn't it supposed to be that?
Taste it. Taste it.
Stop spitting in it. We're gonna touch this.
Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Oh yeah, we're gonna need marshmallow.
Water.
Oh, we don't need water. Oh, fine. This one's dash. Dash. There. Too much, man.
Yeah, look.
You know how much?
Burn
Look
it.
at the bunny.
Dude.
Oh, look at that chocolate. It got chocolate on it. It's just chocolate bunny.
I get it.
That chocolate bunny.
It's some beer.
I got filled up with water.
Wait. Some beer.
Some beer.
Yeah.
There.
Lime juicy beer.
Go.
Marshmallows.
Go. Put the marshmallows. Put the marshmallows in.
Put them. Some dough.
there's
First
dough.
marshmallows.
Okay,
More
no
dough. More dough.
Yeah, that's what this.
All of it.
Dump it. Just dump it. It's not sand or dough.
It's dough. So did you put sand?
Or is it dirt?
Hey, what's wrong with there?
Oh, it's sand.
It's
It's dough. It's chocolate dough.
Okay, now we're gonna
Okay, there.
we're gonna have to squish it.
There.
More?
There.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in the batter cake.
buccaneers.
No, it needs more dough now. Cause you
Bananas. What?
Okay, let's just put it in here.
Bananas.
Some beer.
The bunny's
It says
hungry.
bananas.
The bunny.
Look at these slaves getting dough. Hey.
Making the cake is messy.
Yeah.
Look at that right there. It's almost done. I gotta taste it. Just stop it.
Are we done?
Some leaf.
Look it. When I'm about to taste it, pause the video.
Okay.
Oh, wait, never mind. That's what it is. There's the plan. This is giving the cake some minty flavor.
Some more mint.
That's some beer. Smell that.
There. Some marshmallow.
More marshmallow. It's gonna be so marshmallowy. Like
Even more.
Rocky Road.
With some mint. Oh, what do you touch me with that? That is
It's some
disgusting.
good chocolate, dude. It's some good chocolate.
But it's not ready.
We're almost done.
Oh yeah.
Almost done.
Oh,
What's up?
oh, what the heck?
What the heck, dude?
Ah.
Watch out. This is perfect.
Some juicy cake.
It kind of looks like ground beef.
Some juicy cake and ice cream.
Okay, let's dump
With
it.
tres leches.
Let's
Tres muds.
There's muds. Okay.
Tres muds.
Go, dump it in there.
Okay, just kidding.
Wait. Stop.
He's gonna try.
I'm gonna try it.
Wait.
Yep, it's good. Okay, dump it in there.
Dump it in there. I'll do it.
Some of jump it.
Jump it.
Or like at least.
No, you don't hear. You record.
Okay. Wait.
It's freaking heavy.
Okay.
Daddy,
Cake batter. Oh shoot.
stop. Look at your feet.
Wait.
Put it right there.
Wait.
Oh yeah, please. Put some cake.
Like ice
Okay,
cream.
we're making a sheet of mint papers.
Yes. That's what
Okay.
you always have to remember. The sheet.
Okay, there. Now it's all flat.
Let's go.
Dump it in there.
We're gonna need sticks.
No, stop. Stop.
Stop, dude. Stop. Stop, said I mean.
Tap it with the stick. Oh, why'd you hit
There?
No. Why'd you hit it like that? Put more water in it. Put more water in it.
Oh, my God. Oh.
A perfect batch of chocolate. Chocolate.
Wait, okay, I'm gonna hit it. Okay, let me watch it. I'm gonna hit it.
No. I got it. There.
Okay, now let's
Empty.
move it.
Oh, what the heck? It is empty.
Let's move
Wait.
it out.
Kayla,
Kayla, we need water.
And some beer.
use that thing. Get water.
Some beer.
Some beer.
We need water.
Wait, no.
Kayla has water.
Look at this chocolate cake. Oh shoot.
Some beer.
Okay, we're just fixing it here, and we need
We just need
some
some
beer.
beer.
Some beer.
And then we're gonna put it in the
Some
oven.
beer.
And this bakuna.
The brand.
Bakunish.
Bachana.
The very last thing is gonna be this mint. It's gonna be the top of the cake, and then we're gonna put it to the oven.
Okay, then.
Kayla, show your thing. Go like that.
Okay,
Whoa.
the cake batter is ready.
It's ready.
Now it needs to
Dry off.
back up.
Need to go in the
It
oven.
needs to go in the oven.
Wait, first the last ingredients, the mint.
A piece of mint in the middle. Okay.
There.
Okay.
Look at that cake. It's
Gonna
getting
cook
it
in the oven.
already. In the oven. It's gonna be in the oven. Okay. These are the people who
Cooking.
made it. Kayla, Sarah,
And this nigga.
yeah, and this nigga too.
24,760,70,002 hours and 3 seconds later. It's done.
It's done.
We need to leave. Don't take it out.
It looks so good. Look at that. It looks so good. Let's take it out.
We are different people since our grandfather died.
What?
I don't know.